All right, y'all. Again, well, morning, y'all. We're at 20 minutes in target market open, but I was having some technical difficulties. I literally recorded and then I was muted, and then some other stuff. It wasn't showing the screen, whatever. But oh my god, I look away for 1 second, and we're making SMT here. Did you get a retracement here? It's not bad. Just keep an eye on gold in case it makes a move. You know what I mean? But let's focus on NQ and ES. Looking great on the 5 minute for some shorts, right? Um, but we are making a bullish S&T. Looks like we did already take that out. Okay, let's work that out real quick. I don't love the 1 minute right now. You know what I mean? I've kind of been sticking to the 5 minute as of right now, and it's good because you want to stay aligned with your time frames, and obviously, higher time frame holds higher power, but the 1 minute says a lot too. So see how we react off this. We are also in a 30-minute fair value gap, so I've been showing too much of reaction so far. I'm hoping we do just come sweep this low on NQ so we don't complete that bullish SMT, so we can take some of those shorts. But I just want to see some clear movement, some clear displacement, then a retracement back to that level, to those fair value gaps that are hopefully formed and everything. So, because I mean, look at this stacked liquidity, just beautiful. You know, I wouldn't hate if we off this bullish SMT, we made the move up, took all this low resistance liquidity, make an SMT off it while respecting this fair value gap, and then maybe be able to take some shorts on ES. I've been rocking with ES recently. I don't know why. I feel like I'm taking everything nowadays on ES. Yesterday, 2 days ago. Let's see on IQ. Yeah, geez, I never take on IQ no more. That's crazy. I used to only trade NQ. Wow. Whole bunch of wicks. I don't know if you can see my dog. Hold on. No, oh my god, I just realized my face cam is not. Bro. Whatever. But, oh my dog. Oh shit, we're actually. Okay, we are making a move up. It might be bullish on. Oh, whoops. Might be bullish on gold actually. If we keep, you know what I mean, moving up. If we close above 79%, I might get it on gold. Oh, oh my God, this is so perfect actually. This is exactly what I said would happen. It is about to be 10. This is kind of perfect. Dude, there's a little kid upstairs. I live in an apartment, little kid upstairs. He's always running where you can hear like little feet. Do we have a 3 minute? Or do we have a 2 minute? No, just 1 minute. So if we inverse this, let's check. Still got a way to go, but we do have an inverse right here. We have bearish S&T now after liquidity sweep, after pretty much respecting this for value gap. If I do enter on gold, it will be small size. Targeting London lows. 15 minute. 15 minute. Alright, I'm good center right there. Market 100. We are in there. Okay. Perfect. It is now 10 a.m. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, I'm feeling pretty good about this. You know what I mean? Let's look high time frame, right? So we swept out previous previous daily low, so 2 days ago. Ooh, hold on. Wait a minute, wait a minute. There's lucky too much going on on the screen right now, but sorry. Uh we have a high time frame liquidity sweep, right? So from previous day highs from 2 days ago, which is also all-time highs, we made a move down, retraced, made another move down that we made an SMT off of, right? Because NQ took out these highs and then made a move down, and we never reached those highs. So made an SMT, then we inversed a gap, and I don't know, let's see if we're at 79%. Almost at 79%, and we now are. But when I first entered, sorry about that. Um, we inversed that, broke structure, everything. So we're looking very, very good. Um, and yeah, I saw a video today where it said a lot of traders get stuck because but they try to be the first one in to catch a reversal. You know what I mean? And it's true. Like here we waited. You know what I mean? Now we see we're in a downtrend because we're consistently making lower highs and lower lows, and now we're gonna catch the real good move or just get our piece of the pie. You know what I mean? Mm, let's start getting some partials in here. Buy limit. How many units are we in for? We could go. Let's go two. My dog, bro. 217. How many take profits do we have? One, two, three. Okay. Yeah, actually, no, let's go three. Perfect. And then we will be going break even there. Break even. Oh, one second. Let me go open the door for my dog. If we hit full TP, we are at a 3.86 risk to reward, so it's very good. And we did not make any SMTs. Great. So we're still very bullish. Because if we did make some bullish SMTs, that does, that is kind of annoying. Um, see if we can hit first TP right here. Let's actually get second TP going. What, another 4? Limit. That means we'll have 10 left for full TP. Okay, perfect. Ooh, come on, don't do that. Thought it said executed. Don't do that to me. Don't break my heart like that. And we are targeting a 15-minute. I was confused. 15-minute unfilled fair value gap here. And then another one right here for the second TP. And a London low for full TP. Looking great. Just hope NQ can keep up so we don't um make any bullish SMTs that interfere with our trade. Oh, I forgot about gold. Oh, Oh my God. If I got in, imagine. God, I didn't. Let's just get rid of all this. So my original buy is for um gold was right. Ooh, do I want to get in? 5 minute unfilled here. 5 minute unfilled here. Oh, I don't know how confident I feel in this. Still looking amazing on our ES trade. See what I mean? Like, ooh, why are we climbing so much in Q? Don't love that. But that's actually great because we can make SMTs and push us even further down. Part of me wants to get in on gold for like a small little contract. Honestly, if we break structure here, give a little bigger little stop loss. We did break structure there. Took over one last time. We're in a downtrend after a liquidity sweep, respecting bearish for value gaps, disrespecting bullish for value gaps. So I am gonna enter for not a lot. Go. Oh no. 0.5%. Selling there. Oh, it's a limit. I know I'm gonna do that, but there you go. Ooh, we are back at break even on our ES trade. We do seem to be making some. Yeah, we're making some SMTs, so that's good. Not bad. It's a little drawdown. Never hurt nobody, feel me? To actually make another SMT off that, that would be very good because we're lagging a lot on ES. So hoping gold doesn't push up too much. Ooh. To give it a little space now. See, did we make the S&P? No, but we are starting to push down a little bit. Good. Let's push back down there. Yeah, we are in a 5 minute. Feel like up that we are like rejecting every time. Or 15-minute order block, whatever you want to call it. Well, 15-minute order block as well. Probably going to go break even at the internal high now. Geez, gold is moving weird now. Very nice. If we can get an actual, like strong closure, that would be. But as you can see, we have rejected a few times now. We have 30 seconds on that candle, but it's a great push down. If we can just push past this and inverse that, it'd be great. 10 seconds on the candle. Okay, we're still down there, so just didn't want that big a wick, you know what I mean? I don't mind coming to this little area. We have a fair value gap and inverse fair value gap. We tap into that, come back down. And when gold wants to move, it moves, bro. But geez, it's really sitting right there right now. Might just be one of those days where you can have just sit in the trade forever, which happened to me yesterday. I was in a trade for an hour and a half. We're back climbing. Perfect. Perfect rejecting point. That might be it for us on gold. Yep. Alright, so we are out on gold. They have a pretty tight stop loss, so it's a little risky there, but it's good. We are still looking great on our US trade. Let's see how much we lost. We lost about, ooh, good little amount. 300. Hold on. We lost 300 on that. I actually don't know if you can see that. Let me move my camera. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Nope, that's not it either. You can see we lost 300. We were on a fat little losing streak. Let me just show y'all real quick. This is when I was sick and I was just taking whatever trade, bro. Like, I was not in the right mindset, so I was up about 1,500 on my account. And then I got down to 1,500. So then I won yesterday because I'm actually in the right mind. Someone just has to take my laptop away when I'm trading, when I'm sick. So we lost 300. We're up almost, yeah, we're up 300. So we're just fine. That loss means nothing. I don't know, man. Me and gold have a love-hate relationship. Like it's rough. Just realized we are. Oh, let's take this off. Um, Let me move my camera back. Oop. We're back close to break even, and the buy limit. Jeez, man. Really slowing down here. Come on, let's take these out real quick. Really, bro? Oh my god. Hey, we're break even. Nice. And we got filled. Perfect. First take profit is hit. Great. Hopefully, let's get a little flush here too. We now have 80 bucks. 80 bucks secured. Move this. Whatever. We are making a bullish S&T, which is a little annoying, but hopefully you have the strength to you know, keep it pushing. Second TP is at 2.14. So if necessary, that can be full TP, but let's see what we're working with, because this candle's looking nice. This is looking better. We did slow down there, hella. I mean, we've been in this trade almost 30 minutes now. That's the problem. We just wicking all over the place. I'm gonna I'm gonna turn off face cam and mute up and just let this play out. If I have some input, I'll mute whatever say my plan to action, but I'm gonna let y'all just watch it, and I'll uh put it in fast forward so y'all can just enjoy for real. All right, guys. So we just hit second TP, and we are now going to move stops to about first take profit because we made a new high there, while also having fair value gaps that we respected, which means we're protected from that. If not, we get stopped out in profit. All right, but we are approaching our last and final TP, which we are looking great. All these retracements are supernatural. This is not when you know what I mean, panic. That's when you just relax it back and trust in your trading, trust in your model. And yeah, man, look at this. Even NQ is um dumping. So yeah, just wanted to hop in, let y'all know my game plan, and y'all can watch. Hopefully, last TP get hit. All right, guys, we're starting to see price push up a little more. I was going to move stops more aggressively once we broke this internal high, but since we couldn't even more, that kind of shows me that we're losing strength to the downside. So we are going to be a little more aggressive with our stops here. Um, because if we get past this fair value gap right here, our trading plan is most likely invalidated. If we can reject off of this fair value gap again, perfect, and we're still in the trade. Um, but right now we just want to maximize profits, and yeah, we are floating 500 bucks. Gonna be like 400 up here, so we would have about 500 buck day. Still in the green, can't complain about it. Yeah, final TP would have been fire, right? But you know what I mean. You gotta take your piece of the pie. All right, guys. So we just closed out two more units because of just how slow price is right now. Just want to maximize profits again, like I was saying. We're gonna move stops more aggressive again. Hopefully, we can hit full TP here. We have a very, very beautiful flush here. Let's let it play out. All right, boom, guys. So that is the trade for today. We ended up hitting full TP for 3.64 hour. Obviously, we took three different partials throughout. We took three out of 17 units. We took three here. We took four here. We took two here because the price was slowing down. And we took the final eight here. And we are break even on this account. Mind you, 2 days ago, I was 1,500 down. Today we made a total of, let's do that math real quick. Um, see if I can ask Siri. 800. We are sorry. So 800. Let's just do this in my head. 800 plus 230, 1,030 plus another like 250. So 1,200 almost pretty much for today. And yeah, I mean, we're still pushing down now. Look at that. That's great. But I am happy with what I made today. You know what I mean? Oh, sorry, I just realized. Oh no, you can't see that. I don't have my face cam on. Oh wow, look at that. But I mean, this is a beautiful trade. Super happy with it. Always remember, do not panic on retracements. Feel me? Take whatever profits you can take, and yeah, man. I hope y'all caught some shorts today. Hope y'all bang like I did today, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.